For breakfast or takeaway, sandwiches are still a perfect choice because it's very easy to prepare, light to carry, but still very fulfilling. Join me in this video as I will share with you 7 ways that I prepare sandwich for any occasion. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Tuna sandwich is such a classic, very quick and easy to prepare, and can feed the adults and kids alike. First, finely slice the onion and soak in a bowl of cold water. Drain the tuna from the can and mix with 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo, some salt and pepper to taste. Mix well and then spread on the sandwich bread. Top with the onion, a piece of lettuce, and tomato slices. Then wrap it up in a piece of parchment paper and then cut in half. So quick and easy, but super yummy. Another kind of sandwich that you can make the night before, so it's ready to bring to work or school the next day, is eggs and crab stick sandwich. Finely slice half a cucumber, then mix with salt for about 5 minutes. Then rinse well and squeeze out the excess water. Next, chop up some onion very finely. This will enhance the flavor of the fillings a lot. Boil the eggs for about 12 minutes and then finely chop. Also chop up the crab stick and combine with the eggs in a large bowl. Add mayonnaise sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Add the cucumber and onion. Mix well to combine and spread on the sandwich bread. Place some tomato slices on top and wrap up in a piece of parchment paper, then cut in half to reveal the fillings. It's so simple, but you're gonna be impressed with the rich and nutty taste of egg combined with the freshness from the lettuce and tomato. And the crunchiness of the cucumber adds a very interesting texture to the sandwich. You can prepare a few and arrange in a basket like this and bring to a picnic. The next sandwich recipe is very popular on TikTok. Also very simple sandwiches with just egg and cheese. Firstly, crack 3 eggs in a bowl and season with salt, pepper, and some chopped scallion. Beat well, then heat some oil in a pan and pour in the egg mixture. Add 2 slices of trimmed sandwich bread and quickly flip to coat the bread with the egg mixture. Then flip the omelette over and place a slice of cheese and a slice of ham on top. Fold in the sides, add 2 slices of tomato and fold in half. There you have it, very simple egg sandwich, but so delectable. Next is grilled cheese sandwich, which I'm pretty sure are very familiar with you guys. I make mine with 3 kinds of cheeses to make it more tasty and flavorful. You can spread the butter on the bread or melt the butter in a pan, then add the sandwich bread and toast until golden and crispy on both sides. Then place a slice of cheddar on top, a sprinkle of shredded hard cheese like Emmental, Edam or Parmesan, then a handful of mozzarella cheese. Place the other slice on top and flip to toast on both sides until the cheese is melted. You can serve with some pickled cucumber or olives. The combination of the 3 cheeses combined with the crispy and crunchy bread make it into a really interesting food experience. Next are 3 recipes that are kid-friendly, but for sure can be great snacks for adults too. Your kids gonna love this pinwheel sandwich lollipop, which looks so pretty but are so easy to make. Just trim off the rim of the sandwich bread, spread with butter, top with a slice of cheddar and ham, roll up and piece into a bamboo skewer. Then just cut into 3 portions to reveal the pinwheels. Aren't they so cute? Kids never say no to lollipop. To make use of the sandwich trim, I put them in an air fryer for about 3 to 5 minutes until very crispy. Then melt butter in a pan, add the toasted breadsticks, toss well with some sugar and cinnamon powder to make very yummy snacks. They taste just like biscuits. For those who love corn and cheese, like Emmy, my daughter, this corn and cheese toast will soon become their favorite. First, melt some butter in a pan. Add the chopped onion and saute until translucent. Add half a cup of corn kernels and 75 ml of whipping cream or milk. Season with salt and pepper. Cover to cook over low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the corns are soft and absorb all the rich flavor from the cream. Spread some butter on the bread, top with the cooked corn. Sprinkle with some mozzarella cheese and toast in an oven or an air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. These are some quick and easy ideas that you can prepare for your kids that they will surely love. So I hope you enjoyed the 7 ideas that I presented in this video to prepare very quick, easy and convenient sandwiches for your family, for everyday breakfast, takeaway or to bring to a picnic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and share this video with your friends. I will see you then next time. Bye!